Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you the Netflix profile delete tutorial. So if you have a few profiles on your Netflix account and you want to delete one of them, you can just follow these steps. So first, you can open your Netflix on mobile or maybe on your device, and then just click on your profile first at the top. Then you'll find the manage profiles option, so click on this button, and then to delete a profile you can just choose which one that you want to delete. So for example, I want to delete this one. Click on the pencil icon, then you'll see the delete profile option, so just click on the button and click on delete profile again, and just like that, the profile has been deleted in your Netflix. Okay, so that's pretty easy, and I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.